Hi guys, today we can make a paper fan. We will be also adding a tassel, so keep watching. The paper that I chose is pattern paper, which has some design on one side and is plain on the other side. And you should note that this paper is some 80 GSM in thickness. The thicker cardstocks won't work well for this particular design or this particular technique. To start, I cut a 4 into 3 inch size paper. Take it to the scoring board and score at 1/4 of an inch. If you don't have a scoring board, you can just use an embossing tool on a cutting mat to score lines. If you don't have that, just fold them randomly with your hands. I prefer the scoring board method as the lines are precise and this method works faster for me. Turn the paper and score from the ends at half an inch distance. Now fold the half-inch border. This creates a different colored border and looks cool. You can choose to have colored border or plain border to give different looks but with the same paper. Next, we can fold the 1/4 inch wide lines. Fold in zigzag manner along the creases that we made. Once done, I open up the folds and make a scoring line on the middle, so it is easy to fold into half. Now again I fold the zigzags, fold and bend it in the center. Now you can see the fan created. Next we can make the tassel. I take a red crochet thread for this. Using 3 fingers, I coil them around the fingers few times. Once I'm okay with the thickness of the thread, I cut the excess off. Then I take a short length of thread and join around the top part. Next, I take another short length of cord, make it into an inverted U shape. Wind around the bunch of threads. And tie them as shown. Cut off the excess thread and also cut off the bottom straight to make a tassel. I add this tassel to the center fold of the fan that we previously made. Now we can glue the middle part of the fan and we are done.